Chapter 4, we'll begin with finding factors, multiples, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Pause the video and write down what a factor is and what a multiple is. So what is a factor? For example, what are the factors of 12? Well, a factor is a number which divides exactly into another number. That is, there's no remainder. So the factors of 12 are numbers which divide into 12 without a remainder, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors are few. It says down here, factors are few. There's only a set number of them and they fit in, so factors fit into the number. What is a multiple? Well, what are the multiples of 5? Well, a multiple of 5 is a number which 5 divides into. So in other words, the 5 times tables, 5 divides into the 5 times tables. So basically, the multiples of 5 are the multiplications of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. And note, the first multiple of 5 is 5 itself. The first one isn't 10, it's 5. Okay? Now, multiples are many. That list will go on forever and ever. 5 times 6, 5 times 7, 30, 35, and keeps going. So multiples are the multiplications of the number. Okay. You can pause the video and have a go at examples 1, 2, 3, and 4. Example 1. Express 28 as a product of two different factors in as many ways as you can. So 28 could be 1 times 28, where 1 and 28 are factors. It could be 2 times 14, so 2 and 14 are factors. 3 doesn't divide in. I'm just going in order from 1, 2. 3 doesn't divide into 28. 4 does. So 4 times 7 is 28. 5 doesn't go into it. 6 doesn't go in. And the next number is 7, which we already have. So we have all the possibilities. There's only 3 products that give you 28. And that means there are 6 factors for 28. Write down the multiples of 6, which are under 40. So that is the multiplications of 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. Got to stop there because it asks me to only write the ones that are under 40. Because multiples are many, they go on forever and ever. So it had just restrained it to under 40. Example 3. Find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. So a factor fits in, remember? And we're looking for the highest number that's common. So the highest number, the largest number that's going to fit into 12 and 18. To do that, maybe a list would be effective instead of just doing it in your head. So the factors of 12, if we do it in order, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. The factors of 18, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4 and 5 don't fit in. So the highest common factor, you can spot there, the largest number is 6. So there are 4 common factors. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, and 6 is common. 6 is the highest common factor. So your answer is 6. Find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 10. Well, the multiples of 6 and 10 are the multiplications of 6 and 10. So that would be 6, then 12, then 18. We've already written them down up here. And then we'd have 24, and then we'd have 30, and we keep going. The multiplications of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. We don't want to go on forever and ever. Remember, we're just trying to find the lowest common multiple. So the smallest number in this list, that is in both lists, that's common. So you can see there, 30 is in both lists. It's the smallest number. It's the lowest number that's in both lists. So it's the lowest common multiple. So your answer is 30.